Hello everyone. Here we are with a new 20 days challenge of Python functions. So in this video we are going to review the syllabus of 20 days of Python functions. So in day 1 we are going to focus on the basics of Python functions, that what are functions, the syntax of function in Python, and we'll know about what are parameters, argument and return values. Then in day 2 we are going to talk about the types of parameters, and then what are variable length arguments. Then in day 3, we are going to see recursive functions. And in day 4, we are going to see lambda function, that what are lambda function. They are also known as anonymous function in Python. Then we are going to understand that when and how to use lambda functions. Then in day 5, we are going to see decorators, function decorators. So we'll see what are function decorators and what are their roles. Then we are going to explore some built-in decorators which are present in function in Python, that are static method, class method, and how to implement them. Then day 6, we are going to see generator and iterators, that what are generators and what are iterators in Python, and understand the difference between them and their use cases. Then day 7, we'll see exceptional handling in function, and how we are going to use try except blocks and exception propagations. Then in day 8 we are going to see higher order functions, that how high what are higher order functions uh, that can accept functions as argument or return functions. Then in day 9 we are going to see the difference between, and we are going to compare recursion versus iteration, that when to use recursion and when to use iteration. Then in day 10 we are going to see function modules and libraries. Uh, just we'll see math, then random, then day time. Then in day 11 we are going to see functional programming concepts like map. We'll use map function, then filter function, then reduce. Then there we'll see their application and benefits. Then in day 12 we are going to see the function closures, that are uh, the concept of closures in Python functions, and we'll understand how to uh, capture closures and retain variables from the enclosing scopes. Then in day 13 we are going to see function introspection. We are going to learn about the function introspection in Python. Then we are going to understand that how to inspect and retrieve information about function in runtime. In day 14, we are going to see function optimization techniques. And in day 15, we'll focus on projects and challenges. So we'll see that how to work on personal projects that require function implementation of many functions. In day 16, we are going to talk about the advanced topics of function programming, just like partial functions, function compositions, and currying all that. Then in day 16, we're going to see that unit testing functions, that how to test it with the frameworks like PyTest, and with the help of the frameworks like PyTest and unit test. In day 18, we'll see the documentation and the coding style, that when we are coding, that how should our code looks, that our program should look proper with the help of the pip8 documentations. Then in day 19 we are going to see the debugging functions, that what are the techniques for debugging functions. Then we are going to explore some debugging tools and strategies. Then in day 15, in day 20, we are going to review all our concepts which have we have learned in our previous days, and throughout what we have done and what problems occurred, we are going to solve in day 20. So that's it. Uh, Thank you for watching the video.